The person that you've been in a situationship is coming forward. They're coming forward because there is regret around them, around a recent behaviour they just had. They have had enough of this runner-chaser dynamic. So what do they look like? What is their personality like? What do they look like? What is their personality like? I'm just going to take this one as well. Right, this is somebody who is kind of nearing just getting out of a situation themselves. It's someone who is going to be having a conversation with you very, very, very soon. It's somebody that sees you as the divine feminine, and they are honoring that. I'm seeing fire signs. I tell you what I am seeing visually. I'm seeing someone with very dark hair. I'm seeing someone tall, athletic, and I'm seeing someone with the most beautiful, stunning eyes. I'm seeing someone who has a magnetic attraction to them. So they're not aesthetically, they might not be the most good looking or the most sporty, whatever it is, but there is a magnetic attraction to them that you feel, but also other people feel as well. This is someone who's a very, very hard worker. Physically, they probably have their own business as well, I think, as well. And it's someone who 100% has romantic feelings towards you. I feel like they want to change in the relationship. I feel like that recently a situation happened and they are tired of that dynamic. They've regret something they said or did, and now they're thinking they want to switch that through. They want to have a clarifying conversation with you, and they do want there to be a new beginning with you. They want to kind of close that old door to that situation, whatever was going on, because they're tired of it. They see you as somebody who is the divine feminine, but they see you as somebody who is mentally very strong. They see you as somebody who I feel that they know they've either pushed you to the limit or they're close to pushing you to the limit. Like, they really feel that. Knight of Swords, they're coming in to sweep you off your feet. You're the one that they want to be with. But I just want to clarify, this is a situationship. This isn't a boyfriend, girlfriend. This is something that's been back and forth, to and fro. You've not really known what's going on. You've not really understood what's going on with everything. But they are coming in real quick to have that conversation with you. This person, the conversation that they have with you is really going to be moving forward. I feel like in this time of you going backwards and forwards and whatever it's been, there has been them figuring out exactly what they want. And they have finally decided that they want to have this conversation with you that came through straight away about moving forward, about happily ever after, about being together, taking the next stage with you forever. This is your forever person, or forever in the possible future, right, that they can see. They want to start like the new year with you. So I feel that this is going to happen quite quickly, and I feel that you are going to see a change in this person. Either they are going to reach out to you directly and have that conversation, a DM, a phone call, they're going to bump into you, they're going to take you to one side, or you are going to see a definite change in them that shows you that they are wanting to take you on this new path. I'm seeing February. I'm seeing air sign energy, strong air sign energy. I'm seeing fire also, and a bit of water as well. But I am seeing February time. I'm seeing that they need to sort something out first before they can fully come forward for you. I'm seeing someone who... I'm not seeing anyone with tattoos. Usually people with tattoos come through. No tattoos. Maybe one of you has tattoos, but the other one doesn't. But I'm getting very strong karmic twin flame energy coming through on this. I feel like this person's been annoying you for the longest time because you've just not known where you stood with them. But that's ended. This person has been low-key obsessing about you, but they haven't shown you that, but you've felt it and you've known it. You've picked up on it intuitively and in your body and in your soul. But it's not necessarily been through their actions, it's just something that you've known. They are low-key obsessed. They're saying sorry for their recent behaviour. They felt overwhelmed. They also got a little bit jealous about something as well. My name's Lalath Grace. I'm a spiritual therapist and a tarot reader. If you want to book a one-to-one with me, go to the link in my bio.